Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to stop Temu emails, and now let's dive right in. Now to stop emails from Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. After opening your Temu app guys, on this interface guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of options available for us, and at the bottom middle section you can see the U button. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen. And when you land over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface you can see the settings button available for us just beside the support. Tap on settings button at the top right corner of the screen, and over here guys you can see the notifications option available for us just below currency. Tap on notifications, and over here guys if you scroll down you can see here it says promotions, order updates, chat messages and customers activity. Now you can see the email service available for us on promotion, order updates and chat messages. Now in order to turn off emails from Temu, you can see we will be required to tap on the edit button at the bottom right side of these options where it says promotions, order updates and messages. Tap on edit and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the email button at the bottom of the screen. If you want to turn it off totally, just tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the push notification at the top right, and as well as the in-app notifications on Temu, and finally tap on the email. By this way guys, none of the promotions will be shown to you, but if you want to just disable the emails you can tap on the push notifications and in-app notifications, turning off the email only. So do that same for the chat messages, and after that the order updates as well. Tap on edit at the bottom right of that tab and tap on the toggle icon of the email and it will be turned off. And with that being done guys, Temu will stop sending you emails on your email account. And with that being said guys, this is how to stop Temu emails. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.